All right, hello, and I'm going to show you how to download a PDF Creator. First thing you want to do is go to the internet, and we're going to go to Google, and we're going to type in PDF Creator, and it should take you to the first things on here should be sourceforge.net. PDF Creator, that's what you want to go to, sourceforge.net /project/PDF Creator. That's what we're looking for here. So you're going to go there, and it should be an orange page, and it should say sourceforge.net. Then it's going to ask you a couple different things. This is a repository for projects that people work on, and they're generally free. So we choose to download it because we want the 0.9.7 version of this. And it's going to take you to another page, and it's coming. Here we go. So this is the next page, and what you want to do is select the release for February 3rd, 2009. And then it should say you have selected the PDF Creator 0.9.7 release. And then you're going to select the setup file exe. And you'll download this, and it should pop up whether you're in Internet Explorer. It might say that the little bar on the top might pop up, but I'm in Firefox, and so a box will pop up saying to download the file. I've already done that, so I'm not going to download it and have you watch that happen. So we're going to close out of the Internet Explorer here. And now we're going to go over here to, this is what it should look like on your desktop if you're using Vista. And I think if you're using XP too, it has a little computer with the CD-ROM icon. So you click on that, and it should pop up and maybe give you a security warning. And then I always choose Run. And then it goes through, asks your language. And then it should say, Welcome to the PDF Creator Setup Wizard. And you do Next, and you want to accept the agreement. And then you do Next. And then what you want to do is the standard installation. And you do Next, and it will create a folder. Basically, this is in your C drive in your applications area, and this is what it's setting up. And then I don't need the Yahoo service bar or the toolbar that it creates, so I chose that. And then you do Next, and then everything on here should be fine. If you want the help files, I don't do the help files generally because they just take up more room. As you can see, there's many different languages. If you want to install Estonian, you can. So then you do Next, and it will say, do you want to create a startup folder? And I generally don't do that. And so then you get to double check, and it says create a desktop icon. I don't want that, and I don't want this. And then you get a ready to install, and then you can go through and it will tell you what it's going to install and all that nice stuff. And you can just hit install, and it should go through and extract the files, and then it's going to install them. So it's putting them in that C drive folder, and it's taking the longest part is going to probably say GS, and that stands for Ghost Script. And it's just one of the pieces that it needs to do what it does. Now it's registering the files and saving the information. And now things should be good. And it's installing the printers and the port and the printer port, and it's saying complete. We've completed the process, so that's good. We'll go to finish. All right. And what we're going to do here is I'm just going to show you how to print to a PDF. So I have a document here that we'll just print. This is a proposal that my friend made. And I'm going to just show you how it prints. So you go up here to Solar Decathlon, or to the button at the top, and then you go to print, and you select print, and then it should pop up on the side here. And now this is where I have my printer set up. This is where I print at home. But if you hit the drop-down menu, you'll notice that there's a couple different options here now, and there's one called PDFCreator. And that's what we installed, and basically it's a virtual printer that you can now select as one of your printing options. And you choose that, and it functions just like a regular printer. You can tell it how to print, you can give it properties, and you can tell it how to scale and whatnot. So we're just going to print this, and a dialog box should pop up, and I believe it's behind the Word thing. So you'll get this dialog box, and it says that this is the document you're printing, this is the creation date, this is the modify date, this is who is authoring it, so I'm authoring it. Now what you want to do, there's a couple different options down here, and you can play around with these if you want to. You can actually collect more documents to add into this big PDF that you're going to make. Or to just move on, you hit save. And then now it's going to give you a save as, so it's going to tell you where do you want to save it to or save it from. And we'll just put it on my desktop here. And I'll just save it as, it's going to save it as a PDF file. And this is the title. And so here it's going to go to my desktop. So we're going to do save, and then this little icon, it went really fast, but there's a little icon that says PDF printer, and it prints it. It goes through the whole process of printing. So now we're going to, then it pops up into it, but I'm going to show you. So my Adobe Acrobat has opened up now because it defaults to, it always opens up the printing when it's done. So as you can see here, here is the PDF file. So Solar Decathlon PDF. And this one up here is what we opened up before. And this was the Word file. So this can work. Now you have a PDF printer on your computer. And I hope this helps with other projects that you may have to do, and not only for the class that you're in with me. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know or email me, and I hope you have a good day.